But the point is, be contented with what you naturally have. So kung ito pa lang yung kinikita mo ngayon, ginagawa mo naman yung best mo, huwag mo i-compare sa kita ng iba to the point that you will kill yourself trying to beat that other person and trying to make more. Kaya nga sa mga highly professionalized fields, totoong-totoo yan, ang daming may ulcer, ang daming may insomnia. So they squander their youth trying to make money, and when they are old, they use all their money to become healthy again. So mahalaga, iniingatan mo yung katawan mo na may limit ang pwede kong gawin. Hindi ako pwedeng lagi nagpapakabayani. Hindi ko laging sosolve ang problema ng daigdig. I will have a healthy level of self-preservation. Do not strain yourself to make now what you should still make tomorrow. Yung kikitain mo pa bukas, huwag mo nang kitain ngayon.